Thanks for clicking in and taking part of this road assessment of El Dorado Boulevard. During this road assessment, we will inspect the street for overall drivability in an effort to bring to the attention of drivers as they traverse El Dorado Boulevard. Without further delay, let's get started. Currently, El Dorado Boulevard has no paved shoulder, and this can affect driver safety and operations. Without a road shoulder, there is limited space for disabled vehicles to pull out of the travel lane, potentially increasing the risk of traffic disruptions and rear-end collisions. The absence of a road shoulder also reduces recovery space for drivers who inadvertently leave the travel lane and provides less room for emergency responders, maintenance activities, and cyclists or pedestrians where present. As a result, drivers may need to exercise additional caution, particularly during emergencies or periods of heavy traffic. Also, El Dorado Boulevard includes raised road islands and channelization islands at select intersections to facilitate traffic control, separate opposing traffic movements, and guide turning maneuvers. The islands provide access management benefits by reducing conflict points, improving vehicle alignment through intersections, and enhancing pedestrian refuge where crosswalks are present. Additionally, localized pavement discoloration is present along portions of El Dorado Boulevard and is generally attributable to normal weathering in Houston, traffic wear, and the accumulation of surface contaminants. The observed discoloration does not appear to indicate widespread road distress or structural deterioration, but may reduce the visibility of pavement markings in affected areas. Also, drivers may notice that El Dorado Boulevard experiences recurring traffic congestion in the vicinity of the Interstate 45 interchange, particularly during peak commuter periods. The concentration of merging, diverging, and turning movements associated with interchange operations results in reduced travel speeds, increased vehicle queuing, and intermittent stop-and-go traffic conditions. These operational characteristics may contribute to accelerated pavement wear at intersections and approach lanes due to frequent braking and vehicle acceleration. Did you know El Dorado Boulevard is one of the primary east-west roads serving the Clear Lake area of southeast Houston? El Dorado Boulevard provides direct access to major residential communities, commercial centers, and recreational destinations, while also connecting travelers to nearby employment hubs associated with the aerospace industry. Its proximity to the Clear Lake waterfront and the nearby NASA facilities makes El Dorado Boulevard a well-traveled route for residents, visitors, and employees, reflecting the area's strong ties to Houston's history of space exploration and coastal development. Did you know Clear Lake is one of the largest boating communities in Texas and is often recognized as the gateway to Houston's waterfront recreation? The area features one of the highest concentrations of marinas in the state of Texas, as it offers access to Galveston Bay for sailing, fishing, and other water activities. In addition to its recreational appeal, Clear Lake is closely associated with the nation's human spaceflight program, making it a unique community where waterfront living and aerospace innovation have developed side by side.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video.
Back to the road assessment. El Dorado Boulevard includes an at-grade railroad crossing that requires motorists to reduce speed and remain alert to train movements and crossing control devices. The transition between the roadway pavement and the railroad crossing panels is subject to increased loading from repeated vehicle impacts, which can accelerate pavement deterioration and contribute to surface irregularities if not properly maintained.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.